podcast where we'll talk about ourselves, where we're from, and why we are here. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Abang Abdi Zilikram, and this is my partner.
And my name is Tredius John Visser,
We are from English Language
Education.
Study Program from STKIP Persada Katolik Villa Sinta. So this podcast is our part of assignment for the speaking for informal interaction, which was supervised by our lecturer, Mrs. Ilinawati MPD. Okay, before we start, I think we're here to share a little about our journey and have some fun along the way. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be participating as the MC, and my partner John will be our guest speaker here. But first, uh, let me know about yourself, John. I'm going to ask, who are you and what do you do currently?
Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself again. My name is Tredius John Visser, but you can call me John, just John, not the other's name. Currently, I studying at STKI Pasada Katolik Sintang, and I chose English study education, English education study program, and yeah, that's all.
Yeah, good. Because you say that you choose English language education, why do you choose this study program? Is there any significant reason?
Okay, actually many reason why am I chose English study program. First of all, because I thought English is very important and is a crucial thing in
I agree.
our life, right?
Yeah.
And English is very important for us nowadays, like to look for jobs
Yeah.
in the foreign, in the abroad, right?
Mhm.
And then because I want to improve my English, that because I love English language from since I
You
junior
love-
high school. I love English.
You love English.
Yes.
It's good to know that you like this study program and the reason you say you like it. But before we're going so far from that, I think I want to ask you to describe yourself. How would you describe yourself in a word as a person?
Okay. To describe myself, I'm not really understand about myself because
Yeah, we're still figuring out. It's
yes.
okay. We're still young. We're still
uh,
we'll still have with a lot of energy. It's good to explore.
okay. But if I want to tell you about myself, I am like an introvert person.
Oh,
You know.
you do.
Yes. Because I say that I am an introvert person because when I meet with the new person, I feel like shy,
Are
feel
you feel nervous?
nervous,
Yeah.
scared. I don't know how to solve this problem. I said that is my problem in my life.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like we are afraid that people would judge us. Yeah.
Yes.
Good. But before we're going to that, I think I want to ask the third question in this video. I think I want to know what motivates you to be English language education uh, that you'll get SPD, right, from this. Are you going to pursue a career as a teacher? I think I want to know a little about what motivates you to be here.
Okay, my motivation why I am studying English, learning English right
Yeah.
now at my university, because first of all I am still preparing myself
Yeah.
to about my future life,
Yeah.
be a successful person.
Yeah.
You know, uh, yes, of course. When I
And when you graduate, are you
Yes.
going to be an English teacher? Well, it comes to my question: are you going to?
Yes, of course I'm going to.
And are you willing to?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Because
Good.
you know, because I like to teach others, like teach the student as a teacher. It's very happy for me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can assume that it's one of your passion, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Which concludes that to a new question for me. What is your life goal currently? Anything else other than being a English teacher or whatever it is.
Okay. My goals right now is, yeah, to become a success person.
Yeah.
You know, like when
I want to be a successful person.
yes, because you maybe everyone want to
Everyone
be
wants to
successful
be,
person.
everyone want to be rich. Anything, any other way, we were gonna do it because we love that. When we know we have a lot of money, we can help
Yes.
others. We can do anything. But what do you mean by successful? I want to know about.
Uh, I mean, be successful, like when I be able to be a happiness person.
Yeah, to be
Yes.
happy.
To be happy person.
To be happy person.
Yeah.
For yourself first, right?
For myself first.
Yeah. It's fascinating to hear that.
Yes.
But it comes to me to a new question that from this journey, I think you have put so much effort, so much struggle that maybe you have faced a life challenge. So how do you handle this life challenge?
How to handle my life challenge?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I always uh, make what pray
continue.
to God, pray to God. You know, I never leave my God, my Lord, because I am a like religious person.
Yeah, you're very religious.
Yes.
I know it. Yeah. And then,
Yeah.
any other solution? Maybe you can share.
Okay, when I have challenge in my life,
Mhm.
of course I have to solve this. I have to face this with the patient. You know, like
How can we say it? Maybe we sometimes having hard days. What are the first? What is the first thing comes to your mind?
okay. Uh, First thing come to my mind when I feel hard on a day. Maybe I will look for what am I like to do.
The first purpose of why you're doing it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Um,
Am I getting it? Am I getting what you want to say? Are you going to remember what's the first purpose you are standing right that? Is that the same thing you want to say?
of course, I have to remember my struggle. Right?
Yeah. What I mean by struggle is what is your purpose? The first purpose why you are studying at STKIP, maybe what is your first what the first thing comes to your mind to release the stress, to release the difficulty at the time. Are you going to just pray, or maybe you are trying to interact with friends, or any other thing you want to do?
Oh, beside pray to God,
Beside
I
pray to God.
I also talk to my friends
Yeah.
and share my experience
Yeah.
today, like how hard today. So
Okay.
when I talk to my friends, maybe they can make me like motivation and
Motivate you.
motivate me. So from there, I can struggle.
You can grow another spirit in the journey, right?
Yes.
Yes. Maybe it comes to a new question for me. What is your hobby, and do you like spending your hobby with your friends?
Actually, no, I'm not. I don't like spending my time with my friends because in the first time,
It will be like your me time, right?
Yes, me time.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like alone, but
You like alone?
Yes.
But when you solve life problems, do you enjoy being alone or you need others?
actually I need other, but because I am introvert person, so I it's hard for me to make a relation with the others, with the many others. It's very
I can
difficult.
assume that you want to be accompanied, but everything needs its portion, right?
Yes.
Needs proportion. Yeah. I think it's wrap our conversation about yourself, and I'm going to have a really nice challenge for you. It's called quick Q&A.
Okay.
Are you ready, John?
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
ready.
So I'm going to ask you a question, maybe one, two, three question. So you're going to ask it really quick. You get it? Do you get me?
Yes.
Okay.
I get it.
The first question is, what's been your favorite experience at STKIP so far?
My what? Can you repeat again?
Your best experience. Maybe you fell in love with someone, getting crushed on our campus. In maybe it's one of the person in our class. You can have it. Anything.
My best experience when I studying in it at STK Persatuan Bulu Sintang, it's like meet with new friends, like my classmate in at the campus. So when I met with them, with all of them, I feel, oh
Do you feel?
yes, I'm feel happy because uh, I have many friends. It's like I can share about my experience in the past with the others friends.
They are so open to you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Second question: what's your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is seblak. You know seblak?
Yo, I knew it. Because I
Seblak.
like it too.
Yes.
Why do you like it?
I like seblak because seblak is like spicy food. Because I very like I like to eat spicy food.
Good, good, good. What's a hobby you've always wanted to try? This is the last one.
My hobby,
A
I
hobby you want to try?
it's exercise at the gym. You know, I have uh, I have many plans when I in the boarding house, but it's never be realized, never come true.
Yeah, it's gonna be always like to do list that never going to do. That we're never going to do.
It's just a plan, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't have friends to go to the gym.
Maybe we can talk about it and find other friends that want to go to you. It's really nice to know you, John.
Yes.
Yeah. We have talked about yourself, maybe a little about the reason you are at STKIP and maybe some little journey that made you here. I think it's nice and good to know the experience you share. Yeah. I think that's it all from us today, and I do hope that you guys enjoy listening our podcast. Stay tuned and goodbye.
Bye.